channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of June in 4K. If you want to see what I got in this box, just keep on watching. So let's see, I'm just going to open it for you guys. So this is how the box looks like. I'm just going to move this tab up. So this is all the products I got, and then I also got for this box a little slip that shows the name of every single product and the prices and a little description of everything. I'm happy that this paper is here just because on the other one I did not have this, so I have to look all the products up and see what the prices were. So I'm just going to start and show you guys what I got. The first product I see here is the Pore Professional Primer. I'm very excited I got this. Like, honestly, I was like praying. I'm like, please God, like, give me the Pore Professional Primer. And I got it. So I'm very happy about that. So look how cute this box is. Like, look at this little doll, or I don't know what the hell this is, but look at this little doll right here. I'm very excited. So I'm just going to open it and show you guys how the bottle looks like. I already opened it. That's why the box looks so ridiculous. But this is what it looks like. So this is the primer. The Benefit Cosmetics, the Pore Professional Face Primer. So it quickly minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines for smoother than smooth skin. The next product I see here is the Touch and Soul. This is a glassy skin balm and it looks like this. And that's the brand. So this is what the product looks like. It's a very pretty packaging. I love it. I really don't know which way to open it. Oh, so it's this way. So this is the top and that's the bottom. I'm just gonna open it on camera for you guys. I haven't opened this. It just smells like lotion. So this is what this product looks like. It's like a light pinkish color. I'm just gonna close it again. Try not to make a mess. So this is the Glassy Touch and Soul product. So this is an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensational smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates ultimate glow that lasts throughout the whole day. So I guess it's also a primer, so I got 2 primers in this. I'm not gonna complain, you know, you gotta set that makeup good. The next product I'm very excited I got is the QMS Intensive Eye Care. Guys, this is such a small bottle, and I'm gonna tell you guys the prices at the end, but you're gonna be surprised of this price. So this is what the eye cream looks like. Yeah, I actually need this because my under eye circles, oh my god, if you guys saw, like, I basically look like a raccoon basically all the time. This is what the bottle looks like, light blue. It's a nurturing formula developed to rejuvenate, hydrate, and care for the sensitive skin around the eyes, with its multi-action formulation featuring natural firming extracts and intensively moisturizing ingredients. Intensive Eye Care provides targeted treatment to the delicate skin of the eye zone. Basically, I need this to remove all this crap right here. Oh my god, I'm gonna sneeze again. Bless me. So this is the Beauty Vault Circadian Lip Liner Trio. So I guess I'm gonna get 3 lip liners. So let's see what the product looks like. So this is what the front of the packaging looks like, and I'm just gonna be taking the lip liners out to like show you guys. Ooh. So this is the colors I got. This is a lip liner. So that's the colors right here. Right here. Okay. So I'm just going to be swatching for you guys just so you guys can see, because sometimes the colors they show here is not really what you see. So let's see. Oh shit, look at this. So that's what this one looks like. So this one is the Natty Nat color. Not bad. They're very pigmented. Look at the second one right here. This one is it's Cozy Cura right here. The second one right here. I'm telling you guys, I bet they heard me. Oh my god, this is definitely my favorite color out of this whole box. So this one is called the Beau Babe. It's B-E-A-U Babe. And this one is right here. It's the third one. This was my favorite one of all of them, but I like them all. Oh my gosh, and they're very soft. Like, I feel like I never use lip liner, so I'm gonna try and see how I like it. But I feel like with the lip liner, I'm just gonna put it like if it's a lipstick. I'm just gonna put my whole lip out of lip liner. And the last item. So the last item I got is called Naturally Yours, and this is the eyeshadow palette. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna be taking it out of this packaging right here. So this is by the Suiva company. I don't even know what that is, but not bad. So this is what the colors look like. They're very much neutral colors, but this is what it looks like. This is all the colors I got, and I'm just gonna swatch and see how pigmented it is. Actually, it's very, very pigmented. They're like very neutral, and I feel like you can use this for day or night. So I'm very excited to try this eyeshadow palette. Guys, can we talk about the lip liners? It looks so cute. I love it. So what I'm going to be doing now is adding up the prices of every single item and telling you guys what this box is worth. The Suiva eyeshadow palette is $28. Yep, $28. The Benefit Cosmetics Pore Professional Face Primer. So they try to smudge the two words together. So yeah, this is $32. Oh my god. No wonder why I haven't bought this. It's $32. For a primer, $32, really? I don't know. The next item, the Touch and Soul, the Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm, is $32 as well. You guys are going to be so surprised. The QMS Intensive Eye Care is $132. Can you believe that? This bottle is so small. Like, come on, guys. Like, this is $132. Like, really? Really? I will never in my right mind buy this product for $132, but I am very excited that I got it on this BoxyCharm. I'm excited to try it. Like I said, I got raccoon eyes, so I really need to do something about it. One of my favorite products on this box, the lip liners, the Beauty Vault lip liners, they're $18. So in total, this whole box is worth $242. Oh my god. I'm very, very excited. Like, I got products that are worth this much for only $25 a month. Like, isn't that so shocking? I love it. I love it. Honestly, like, this box, I like it. I like it a lot. Like, the other one, the May box, I was like this. I was unimpressed. Unimpressed. But this one, I love it. I'm very excited to try every single product on this box. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and comment down below and let me know what you thought of this June box of BoxyCharm. Did you like the products? Have you tried any of these products in the past? And click the bell down below to notify you whenever I post anything so you don't miss anything that I post. This is the box I got. I'm very, very, very excited. Like, I keep opening the box to be like, oh shit, like I got this, all this. I'm like very excited, like very happy.